Well, we're checking bobcat traps, and this is a real good spot. It's on the edge of a gravel pit. Do a lot of coyote trapping here, and you can see like the big mounds and stuff, and cats. And then there's a big hill, and this is the only. There's water on the other side, so this is the only thick brush they can come through. We've already got our cat, so we're just pulling traps that we're showing, you know, some of the cubbies. Well, I hear one growling. We got one. We got one, Sarah. Oh, there it is. Not as big as the one we harvested. Drags over there, wrapped around the tree. You want to come up and hold this while I... Alright, well, we're going to release this cat. He's got like 10 feet of chain. Actually, it looks like longer than that, but let's say 10, 12 feet. And he's got 5 feet there, so I got to go in the catch circle to actually, you know, get him. So if I don't get a leg to release this cat, you come and release it for me next time with the 5-footer chain. Step up. Shit, I don't even know where I got the damn thing. No. Go ahead.
Oh no! Oh my goodness!
You gotta be shit. Oh yeah, get a leg. The cat will die if you don't get a leg. Well, there the cat just took off with my damn catch-all pole.
Oh.
That's why you don't listen to stupid ass people that don't know what they're talking about.
way? Oh, that way.
Yeah, he's way over there now. That's why you don't listen to people on Facebook when they say, oh, get one leg in there. You know, it's like, I never ever had a problem releasing a cat, never killed one. So I didn't have to deal with people, oh, that cat ran off and is dead. Well, how did that work out? I got the leg in there and the cat's running away with the catch-all pole. Did that work out good with the one leg? Are you satisfied? Are you satisfied? Unfreaking believable. Now I gotta go get the hip boots, and I don't even know how the hell you get that run that cat down. I can't shoot it. No, because my license is filled. You can't tag one.
No.
I mean, I could have thrown a rock and killed it over there, but I couldn't get close enough. And it started flipping and running with the catch-all. I think he's got enough gap in it, because when he was going away, I kind of pulled a little bit and it loosened up a little bit, and that's when he jerked and ran off with it. So I think he can slip out of it, you know, but we're going to try and get him, but... I never even heard of something like that. Yep, some days you just stay in the frickin' lure shop. You just stay in the lure shop. Now I gotta go down there and act like Bloodhound Bob to try and run this cat down. And I already
still hear it.
I know he's still moving that away. Anyway.
To be continued.
Well, been following the cat, and where the place I caught had the let the cat loose and he got away with the catch-all was over there about probably, I don't know, between quarter and half a mile right through that swamp. What I did was I made a cut up and around, followed his tracks through, and I lost his tracks, so I started making circles looking for any drag marks. I found some drag marks that came down this edge, and then I see the catch-all with no cat in it right up here. He made it a long ways. Thank God it fell off. I figured I'd never seen it again. So no cat. Looks like they got hung up on a limb and they might have pulled it off. So thank God. I'm talking about a crazy experience.